Struggling to find where Xero hides its training courses? You are not alone. Most people get stuck in the default settings and never realize there is a whole library of official lessons waiting for them. Stop guessing and hunting around. Here is exactly how to access them in under 2 minutes. I will walk you through logging in, finding the support menu, and selecting your first course. Let us go. All right, start with the basics. Log in to your Xero account. Just head over to the Xero website, type in your email and password like you normally would, and hit the login button. This part is straightforward, but it is the foundation for everything else. If you are already logged in, you are one step ahead. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. See your name, or maybe just a little circle with your initials? That is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear. You might see options for your account settings, your organization, and a few other things. Do not get distracted by those yet. Now, from that drop-down menu, you want to click the option that says Support. This will open up the official Xero Support Hub. It is kind of like the command center for help, and it is also where the training lives. So go ahead and give that a click. The support page might look like a lot of text and links at first. Do not worry, we are going to scroll down. Just use your mouse or trackpad and scroll past all the FAQ articles, past the contact options, and look for a section that is called Learn Xero. It is usually near the bottom of the page. And here is the really important part. This is the main gateway to all of their official training courses. It is easy to miss if you are scrolling too fast, so take your time and find that heading. Now, for the fun part. Under the Learn Xero section, you will see a few different course options. They might have titles like Getting Started, Invoicing and Bills, or Bank Reconciliation. Browse through them and pick one that fits what you want to learn. If you're brand new, I would recommend starting with the very first one. But if you already know the basics, jump ahead to something that challenges you. Just click on the course title to select it. Once you click on the course, it will open up and show you all the modules inside. This is where the real learning happens. You will see a list of lessons, usually broken down into short videos or step-by-step guides. Click on the first module to reveal its content. Some courses might also have little quizzes at the end, which is great for checking your understanding. And now, you are ready to start learning. Click the play button on the first video or read through the first guide. Follow along as it walks you through the actual Xero interface. You can pause, rewind, and go at your own pace. This is the same official training material that certified Xero partners use, so you know it is reliable. That is it. From feeling lost in the dark to confidently accessing and using official training courses to truly master the software. Now go ahead, pick a course, and start learning something new. You got this.